In this video, I'm going to show you a way to create the TV highlight effect that many people are doing at the moment on social media, where the light comes out from the TV and then you have the shadow either side, so you only light the middle part of your drawing. Up to now, I thought the only way to do this was using two different tones of the same colour to do the shadow and the non-shadow effect of each item. So for the cushion, using two different shades of purple for say. But what I'm showing you here is a much easier way, especially for beginners like me who have only been drawing, adult drawing, colour TikToking for the last, what have I been doing it now, month maybe. So this way is so much easier. So what I've done is I've grabbed my lightest grey. I don't have a huge amount of variety of colours because I've only got the Ohuhu 48 set here. But I've picked my lightest grey that I have in that set. And I'm colouring in the shadow area that I have highlighted or drawn out using that straight edge you saw just now and a pencil. So using where the light would come out from the telly, and I am colouring in either side of that down the line. I'm using my grey marker. And this will depict where the light doesn't fall from the telly. And you literally colour along the line and then you colour down. So you colour everything that would be in the shade with this marker. And you just keep going until you have filled in all the shaded areas. And with this, not forgetting to go behind the telly because the light from the telly won't land on the back of the telly itself. I've coloured in the bottom half of the shadow here, and now I'm just doing the top. So I'll just let myself colour this in, and then we'll move on to explaining how we make this effect work using just a single colour marker. So now I'm picking up the first coloured marker I'm going to use, and I'm just focusing on the cushion here. So I'm using a purple marker and just colouring around the dots. I colour in the whole of the cushion, regardless of whether it's in the shadow or out the shadow. And as my hand moves around this cushion, you can see the effect it gives in that where there is no grey, the purple looks lighter, and where the purple has gone over the grey, it looks darker, giving that shadow effect. One difference that I will potentially do in the future, when I'm colouring over the grey, I will leave the grey to dry a little bit longer. As you can see, once I've completed the cushion, and definitely once you see the couch being completed when I colour into the shadows, where the grey hasn't completely dried, I left it for a good minute or two, but I think I just need it to leave for a good 5 minutes maybe, that it goes a little bit streaky. Nothing major and nothing huge and bad, and it doesn't ruin the picture, but I think it could be improved if I left it a little bit longer. And here in the picture you can see me using this beautiful mint greeny kind of colour. Now I'm colouring in the shadow. Same as I've said throughout the video, you just use the same marker and colour throughout, whether it be the shadow and the light. So I'm going to let this video run now just to finish colouring in the sofa here. I will be posting the full video of this colour with me in a day or two maybe once I've completed. I've got a few details to finish off on it and then it will be done. So please keep an eye out for that and enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you for watching.